Hi there, I'm meteorologist Dave Aguilera. Well, of course, the headline this weekend has been the snow, and man, oh man, has it been piling up. Since Thursday, Breckenridge has had 18 inches of snow, over 20 or 20 in Crested Butte, Loveland, A Basin, and Ski Cooper, and Witter Park coming in just under 3 feet of snow with 33 inches. Not much around the Denver metro area. Officially, we just had over a half inch at DIA, but in South Denver, an inch and a half, Pinery, 3 inches, over 3 in Larkspur, and about 4 miles south of Longs Peak, they had 18 inches of snow since Thursday. Wow. All right, let's take a look at what's happening now on the satellite. You can see a few clouds during the day today in the mountains, but we've cleared out nicely. High pressure is working its way in from Nevada out here, scooting that storm out here. That storm is blasting through St. Louis out here. If you have any people traveling around Chicago or St. Louis out there, it's very, very stormy there tonight. This high will slide in now over at least the next couple of days, the start of the week, bringing in some warm weather. But another cold front will be knocking on the door, pushing into the Pacific Northwest. Not expecting that to move through here until maybe the weekend ahead. Could be a snowy and cold weekend, though, coming up. DIA today made it 41, 44 downtown, and our morning lows were 20 and 29. And our overnight low temperatures tonight with the clear skies are going to be very cold in the mountains, below zero for a lot of communities up there. We'll be in the teens and single digits at the lower elevations. And tomorrow's highs, a lot of 40s and 50s here in the east, 30s and 20s in the mountains, and we'll be in the 40s and 30s primarily out there on the western slope. So my forecast for Denver tonight, clear and cold, about 18 at the airport, 21 downtown. Tomorrow we're looking at 49 in the city, 47 at the airport, mostly sunny. That's a little bit warmer, but the good warm-up starts on Tuesday with a high of 58 as we warm it up, 59 on to near 60 on Wednesday. We bring it back down Thursday and Friday to near 50 degrees, 46 on Friday with some late day showers. And then beyond that, taking a look at next weekend, the first weekend of December, look at the cool down, 40s and 30s, and we have a chance of rain changing to snow. Next Sunday, I think it's going to be very chilly around here. That's it from the Colorado Weather Center. I hope you have a great Sunday night and Monday morning.